Welcome back, folks, and today we're introducing you to the CTEK Battery Charger XS0.8. So let's start off by seeing exactly what you get in the box. First off, those cables are comfort connection clamps. Very easy, you just clamp them to a battery, don't you? For connecting your comfort connection clamps to the rest of the device, just simple, easy, push them together. It's basically two prongs, push it in, female and male connector, and that's it. And then these two ends go straight onto your battery. It's that simple. The CTEK has 6 charging steps. Also, it comes with a plug for the country that you live in. This is the UK, so we get a 3-pin plug and fuse. First, we start off by lifting the bonnet and securing it safely. The red connector goes on the plus side of the battery. The black connector goes on the negative side of the battery. Also, you may find another area of the car which a negative goes to. This depends on the make and model of your car, and also check your handbook just in case. Before connecting the cables to battery, make sure your device is turned off, and then we just connect them directly to your battery. Make sure your device is safe. Now, this is actually inside the bonnet, so this most likely won't be a very good place to put it, but make sure that cabling is suitable. Now, if you find your cable a bit short, there is an optional of an extension cable at extra cost. Next thing we do, we put our plug in and switch on the mains. First light to go on is the desulfonation. Step 2 will automatically turn on, and that's basically bulk. Then after that, it does a 3, a 4, and then it does a 5, which is a float. And this is a charging process. Once it gets up to number 6, it switches on and off as it needs to. Now I need to sort out my cables because obviously I can't put the bonnet down with this block in the way. It looks as though this is going to be a bit short. So it looks as though I'm going to need an extension cable. So I better go and get that extension cable. This is the CTEK extension lead. Now, I believe it's 2.5 meter length and it'll cost you around about £17, give or take. Fitting it to the car exactly the same as you would the other part. It's a 2-pin and just push it in and connect it. And then connect the other part to your device. And this is what it looks like after it's completed. You've got all that cabling. There's your little device all connected up to your power supply. And it's that simple. Anything we need to be doing now is just making sure that cabling will clear the bodywork so we can actually put that bonnet down. After a few days, this is what your device will look like. You can see all the lights on, and that's what it'll look like. And then over time, it'll just drop back down. The other cable that comes in the kit is the comfort connection, and it's the eyelet M6. And you can actually fix this into your car permanently through the bodywork. And instead of having clamps, you actually bolt them to your battery like this. It just makes it a lot better and safer. And also you do the same with the other side as well. This is what we're talking about today, this CTEK. Now, this is a very good product. It's got a 5-year guarantee, and I've been using these for a good part of 5 to 6 years. In fact, I think it may have been very first ones that came out. Now, as you can see, this is a motorcycle one. You can get bigger ones, but I tend to use this particular size. Go on the car. They're only on the car of 6 months of the year, if that. Put them on when you need them. Because if you're going out and driving around, you don't really need any type of battery charger, really. Now, it's different from a transit van. I've got a one from the old school, which cost me, let me think. I think it cost me, 70 quid back then. Well, this one will set you back 30 quid. Now, this company sells all different sizes, so you can go right up to some which will be for a lorry. There's a little device, it's a little cable about this long. You can actually fit it onto your battery, and it'll tell you whether your battery needs charging or not. So you can go around and check all your vehicles. Very easy, and it's not exactly very expensive. Anything that protects your battery over the winter months or even out and about is worth getting. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on Auto Gleam Truths. Laters!